Hey everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and we are going to make a DIY with Dollar Tree items for the July 4th holiday, just to get a little festive for your table or your decor, however you like to celebrate. And it may even be for your table when you're going to be eating. So I have these window clings that you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. They have different ones. Have 3 vases. I have shredded paper, super easy, super simple, and also lights if you would like lights. I personally am not going to add the lights, but I wanted you to see how you could do that. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you, and if you enjoy this video, please subscribe. It'd be great. There's a button down there on the screen that says subscribe, and there's a little bell if you want to be notified next time I upload a video. If you're part of my YouTube family, thank you, welcome back. I hope you enjoy this video. All right, the first thing that you're going to do is choose if you want window clings. I'm thinking I'm going to use these to put on my glass. If you do use window clings, then you can always take it, remove it, save it for next year, and make your decoration for the next holiday that you want to use. Plus, this one has Happy 4th of July, which could also be on there, so it'd be really cute. If you like just stars or something like that, you could put that. This is a really cute and effective way to decorate your glass. The next thing that I wanted to show you are these glass vases that the Dollar Tree has. They also have the red, white, and blue shredded paper. I did get extra. I don't think I'll need all of this, but you can put, we're going to put the shredded paper inside. We're going to do red, white, and blue in mine. You can definitely do one of each color in yours. It's really a fun, easy way to decorate your table for the 4th of July. The first thing that I'm going to do before I put the shredded paper in is I'm going to pick out which of these window clings I like. So since they're pennant flags, I'm going to do a pennant flag on each one. And again, because it's window cling, I can just put it on without glue and it stays, which is really nifty. And there you go. Really easy, just put it on. Very nice. And then if you want to add like Happy, which is part of this set, so we could just put them in order. So I could put Happy right here. You can see. And you can change it up however you want. Okay, now I've put it on all 3. There was pennant flag, 3 pennant flags on this one window cling. I put 4th of on this one, and I put July on this one. Now I'm going to put the red, white, and blue paper in here. Super simple. Just open your paper. Just put this one here. And these are really, really cute, super simple. I like the paper coming kind of out of it like fireworks. It has Happy 4th of July. You can, of course, change them any way you want to. You can rearrange your, like the 4th of, maybe I should bring that down a little bit. I'll try that. But you can see how easy it would be to change it if you needed to for a different holiday or just to correct something, because, it's paper cling, window clings. Paper clings, window clings. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy craft from the Dollar Tree. It's really inexpensive, basically 1 package of each red, white, and blue. You could make this red, white, and blue if you wanted to, and just a few dollars. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will be inspired in some way to create your own festive table setting, and until next time, thanks for watching.